Cause everywhere we go.
Pour une nouvelle vidéo.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go. The D1 pick now headed for the pros. My line stays open and never gets cold. Even at 4 a.m. right when everything's closed. My life's a highlight so everything glows. If you highlight what I write, forever be bold. If you like what I like, together we grow. And I'll be your Jack if you be my Rose. Whoa, I ain't trying to put you on a sinking boat. What we got is classic and honestly I think it's dope. And I'm good with words but I ain't kicking quotes. I'm just trying to tell you how I feel while you're sitting close. Yeah, cause soon you'll be far away. You're the leading role, it's the part you play. What's the future hold? It's getting hard to say. I don't know about tomorrow, but it's ours today. Can't risk falling in love, so you just move around like a true player does. Who are we kidding? Ain't nobody but us. I feel it everywhere we go. Everywhere we go. Sunshine, sunshine, yeah. Everywhere we go, I feel the sunshine shines on us. Everywhere we go, one time, yeah. It's everywhere we go. Yo, check it, I got a fifth of liquor and a fifth of gold. If you wanna see a legend, baby, pick a show. We could go to dinner or just get the shit to go. Recently, I feel we go together like a pick and roll. Damn, I'm the butter, I'm the sauce. But when I say I'll cover the bread, I'll cover the cost. Someone call a market, another one's off. Cause I fell in love with a queen, you fell in love with a boss. Ooh, and we won't stop banging. Even when we both hit the phone start ringing, I just pick it up and put it on silent. All our friends probably think that we wildin' out. They can't throw rocks in a glass house, so we just keep going till we pass out. Anywhere you wanna go, I got the fast route. And when you wake up, I'll have it mapped out. You can't risk falling in love, so you just move around like a true player does. Who are we kidding? Ain't nobody but us. I feel it everywhere we go. Everywhere we go. Sunshine, sunshine, yeah. Everywhere we go, I feel the sunshine shines on us. Everywhere we go, one time, yeah. It's everywhere we go. Oh yeah, told y'all we ready, baby. Sing it. Wop, 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 way. Wop, 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 hey. Oh yeah, I told them we ready, alright. Sing it. Wop, 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 way. Wop, 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 hey. Everywhere we go. 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 It's everywhere we go. Yeah. I fuck with this one, man. Yeah.
Perfect.
I am the greatest alive. 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 I am the one they despise, cause they cannot fuck with my grind. I am the one that they wanna be. Wannabes, you cannot fuck with me. Why? Cause I am the greatest alive. 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 I am the one they despise, cause they cannot fuck with my grind. I am the one that they wanna be. Wannabes, you cannot fuck with me. Why? Cause I am the greatest alive. Trust me, I've been for a while, ever since I was a child. So many styles, they cannot categorize me. I am just too fucking wild. So many nights, I would not get any sleep. I would just write to these beats. Now I'm a beast. You fuckers just right in the hand, and there's no I fuck with your leash. Gotta compete, I am just focused on me. Achieving and accomplishing goals. Don't bring your shorty around me, cause guaranteed she gon' get feelings like Julio Jones. I just keep growing and growing. I swear that I'm blowing by 2019, that's for sure. Like Logic and Jordan, my rhymes will destroy ya. I am my employee, rappers for jokes. Yeah, I've been getting money, bitch, I'm hot now, yeah. Fuck with me, your career getting shot down, yeah. Anthem shit, this my drizzy pop style, yeah. About to put the game on fucking lockdown, yeah. Hey, this is a hit, I just do not know the meaning of quit. Been in the gym but my wallet ain't fit. Rappers these days are just comedy skits. I'm popping, I'm dropping the illest of shit. You talking who next? I'm top of the list. No topping the lyrical prowess that's in my possession. A true fucking legend, you bitch. Don't say I'm getting ahead of myself. My only focus is better myself. Whoever the fuck you consider the best.